Hey, what's up everyone, it's Ben at ProFixer, and I want to show you how to use one of these magnetizing and demagnetizing blocks. They're super cool to use, super convenient, and most importantly, super easy. So basically what they do is they take a screwdriver, magnetize it so it sticks to your screws. And pretty nice to use. If you ever used a non-magnetized screwdriver, they are super frustrating to use, almost impossible to use, because then you put the screw on there, immediately falls off, then you try to put it in the phone or other device that you're working on, and it just does not work out very well. But on any of the magnetizing blocks, you'll notice that they all look relatively the same. The magnetizing portion is going to have this rectangle. The demagnetizing portion is going to have a rectangle but with a stepped edge on it. And each of them has their own action. So the magnetizing one will magnetize, this one will demagnetize. What you'll find though is whenever you have a good screwdriver that's magnetized, you really can't shove it in the demagnetizing part and unmagnetize your screwdriver. For heavier screws, you will notice a difference if you have like a larger screwdriver. If you put in the demagnetizing one, you'll notice that certain screws fall off that are super heavy. But if you're working on phones and tablets and other devices with super small screws on them, those don't actually, you'll notice that these really don't have enough weight to just fall off once they become demagnetized. So you won't really notice much of an effect through that. But to use a magnetizer, what you'll do is on the magnetizing side, a lot of instructions just say to kind of insert it and pull it out. But what I find easiest to do is just to just kind of rotate it around in the square there. And once you've done that maybe 3-4 times, it will then be magnetized. So if you have a brand new screwdriver that's not magnetized, go ahead and put it inside the magnetizer, twirl around a little bit, and it will become magnetized, which is really awesome. So definitely, hopefully you found this useful, and that way whenever you see one of these on your tech bench, you can actually put it to use and start magnetizing all of your screwdrivers so that you'll hold onto the screws better. But if you have any questions or anything like that, comment below, let me know what y'all think, and if you have any other tips or tricks on how to use a magnetizer or the best practices for those, let us know as well. But catch you on the next video.